If you think the world has enough Porsche 911 restomods, think again. This isn't just another backdated classic, it's a surgical strike on the senses. Welcome back to 1 Minute Auto Glimpse. Today, we're looking at the Theon Design 4.0 Coupe, a car that proves perfection isn't found in a factory, but in a British workshop. Starting with a 964 generation donor, Theon Design strips it to the bone. Every body panel you see here is high-grade carbon fiber. That means it's lighter, stiffer, and more aggressive than the original could ever dream of being. It wears that iconic 60s silhouette. But underneath, it's a modern masterpiece with widened arches and a stance that demands respect. Inside, it's a temple of leather and machined aluminum, pure, tactile, and completely analog. But here is the real question. In a world of 1,000 horsepower electric supercars, why is this the car that every enthusiast actually wants to drive? The answer lies in the heart of the beast. A 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat six. It pumps out 400 horsepower, which might not sound like much today, until you realize this car weighs less than a modern hatchback. There's no turbo lag, no digital interference, just a crisp 6-speed manual gearbox, and a soundtrack that screams all the way to its 8,500 RPM redline. It's raw, it's mechanical, and it's arguably the most visceral 911 experience on the planet right now. The Theon Design 4.0 isn't just a car, it's a massive love letter to internal combustion. It's faster than a modern GT3 in spirit, and more beautiful than the original. But with a waiting list growing by the day and a price tag that rivals a mansion, is it actually worth the obsession, or is it just the ultimate status symbol? I'll let you decide. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Auto Glimpse. See you in the next one.